Arrive in style with this 2018 Kia Sportage LX. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 181 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth, clock and dash, cruise control and daytime running lights. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.